Hello, welcome to another video. We'll be discussing how you will understand your layers. So, a way to understand your layers is thinking these are just part of the pictures. And yeah, this is the rock ad, all the things that we have on here. So, technically how this could work is, say you have your layer 2, I believe, which is this, and then you put it above your layer 3. Oh, one sec. You put it above your layer 3. Then now layer 3 is now under layer 2. And then if you put it below, if you put layer 2 below layer 3, then layer 3 is now above. So now it works the other ways with the same thing with the other pictures and any picture you have. You just want to make sure that you have the right images above the right ones. Thank you for watching and goodbye.